Looking for some wheels? I'm Johnny on the spot. I'll hook you up.
Hold on, is that
Coming at
Rocky?
you.
I have rapped in a program I did, a Weird Weekends episode about rap.
Can you remember any of the rap that you did?
My money don't jiggle jiggle, it folds. I like to see you wiggle wiggle, for sure. It makes me wanna dribble dribble. You know, riding in my Fiat, you really have to see it. 6'2" in a compact, no slack. But luckily the seats go back, I got a knack to relax.
Can you hurry up and get me to my game? I'm gonna be late.
Calm down, I'm going as fast as I can, okay?
Okay, fine, but we better not be late.
Oh, this is just great.
Just great, exactly what we needed. Now I'm definitely gonna be late for my game. Why can't you just buy a new truck?
Where am I gonna buy a new truck?
Payne Auto Group.
Don't be left stranded. Come visit Payne Auto Group. Look at Duke Yetis, regardless.
I'm going in. Take it easy, friend. I'm the manager of this establishment. Everything's gonna be just fine.
I'm really scared here, man.
You got a name?
Phil?
You got a family, Phil? Come on, Phil, stay with me. Let's hear about that family.
I got a wife and 2 beautiful children.
That's what it's all about. I want you to do me a favor, Phil.
What?
Say cheese.
Hi, my name is Audrey Dunhill. I'm going to take you through a day as a volunteer at the Humane Society of Harlingen. I have been volunteering at this facility for about a year, and I have realized just how important community involvement is. Through my volunteering, I have been able to help administer vaccinations and microchips to pets from all around the Rio Grande Valley at the shelter's low-cost clinics, all while providing their owners with vital information and helpful resources that can be used to ensure their pets' well-being. Through these experiences, I have realized just how important being involved within your community and being willing to lend a helping hand really is. I'm glad that this is something Payne Auto Group would agree with too. Additionally, I have been able to help provide a safe and clean environment for the shelter pets, all while providing them with plenty of enrichment. Thank you, Payne Auto Group, for your consideration.
Get some money, gotta get some money, never hold your head.
Middle finger with the 5 facts. Back it up, back it up. 2, 2, 3 gon' make a nigga back it up. 21.
Eats Up bought a used car, so I'm gonna buy a used car.
I heard Itza Bravo was gonna buy a used car, so I bought a used car.
Itza bought a used car at Payne Auto Group, so I'm gonna buy a used car at Payne Auto Group.
Itza Bravo went to Payne Auto Group to get a used car, so I'm getting my daughter a used car.
I'm Itza Bravo, and I bought a used car.
Hi!
How's it going? How's
It's
it going?
good.
Nice to meet you.
You
Nice to
too.
meet you. So you want to take a look at my car?
Yeah, I did. Yeah, thank you. So how's the paint doing?
It's just touch-ups, you know. It's an older car.
Oh, what's this?
Nana hit a bird.
Oh, okay, that's fine. Totally
Yeah, no.
fixable. Yeah.
TikTok, you know.
Yeah. Oh, what about this?
Oh, just, you know, that's for like drag racers. You're not gonna do much of that.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
No, yeah, that's also fine. Yeah. Can I actually see the other side?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Oh. What's that?
Little buff out, you know.
Oh.
It's actually a stroller, actually.
Oh.
Yeah.
Don't buy your pre-owned from sketchy guys like this on places like Facebook Marketplace. To buy a good quality, low price pre-owned, head on down to Payne Auto Group.